This roof's been a little unique with enhanced details and hydrostatic details by the designer and the consultant for the project. We're uniquely qualified. We've got a fantastic sheet metal crew that we sent out for training with the manufacturer for this project specifically, and they've been able to deliver everything we asked them to do. They've been able to do plus more. We're installing a Metal Roofing Systems System 2500 metal roofs. We had the inspector here yesterday. Everything on his end looked fantastic. No issues. The detail work by the crew here has been fantastic. This building here is the second roof we're doing as part of this project. It's a little bit different. It's a shorter building, closer to the ground, but it's a lot more cut up than the first one detail-wise. There's 4 buildings on this campus. One behind me is recent new construction. Another one was roofed by another contractor that the campus wasn't really satisfied with, and we've completed the other 2 here this year.